Welcome back. This question asks which of the following statements are correct given a plus b plus c plus d equals 0. So let us go through the statements one by one. So the first statement is a, b, c and d must each be a null vector. It is incorrect because the sum of the three vectors in a plane can be 0. So it is not necessary condition that all of a, b, c, d should be null vector. The second one is the magnitude of a plus c equals the magnitude of b plus d. As we are given that a plus b plus c plus d equals to 0, so a plus b equals minus c plus d. Thus, magnitude of a plus c equals to the c plus d. The next one is the magnitude of a can never be greater than the sum of magnitudes of b, c, and d. Is a correct statement because we have a plus b plus c plus d equals 0. That means b plus c plus d is equal to minus a. So clearly magnitude of a cannot be greater than the sum of the other three vectors. The next one is also correct because sum of three vectors is 0 if they are coplanar. Thus a plus b plus c plus d equals 0, or a plus in the bracket b plus c and plus d equals to 0. Hence b plus c must be coplanar with a and d.